Hello everyone, welcome to part 21 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Oh man, I am so excited about this principle. I just want to leap up and down here because I love this principle. This principle is just amazing to me, okay? Part 21 here, talking about one of my favorite affirmations, in my world, nothing ever goes wrong. So he really elaborates on this one, saying that when you live in the spiritual world, when you live in the present moment, when you live like that, you're not so concerned and obsessed about the future and your problems. I mean, we just talked about this one in a previous video, saying we don't need to be concerned about the future, all this idea of certainty, have certainty in the long run, accept uncertainty in the short run, and how that works with the casino model for making money, just like it works with how you live your life in the present moment and how you can be happy. But this one is absolutely amazing, and I've made several posters of this one because he says put it in as many places as possible, and I have one that I made that just says, in my world, nothing ever goes wrong, and has some nice drawings with it. Maybe I'll show it to you in a future video, but man, oh man, I love this one, okay? This one is just so powerful, because the idea is that people are always obsessed, no, this went wrong, that went wrong, this went wrong, blah, 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 blah. They're always saying, this thing is wrong, this thing isn't perfect, this thing is a problem, this is just like that. And they keep just going into it over and over again, obsessing over it, putting it into their minds. Like this rain right here. Some people might consider this rain suddenly striking as being like something that's going wrong. But it's not. It's just how things are. And he's saying, in my world, nothing ever goes wrong. Now, this doesn't mean there will be things you don't like, things you don't think are perfect, because there will be those kind of things. But he's saying, overall, when you can live your life with a sense of certainty in the long run, and you can accept the uncertainty in the short run, know that everything is in divine order. Everything is going to pan out, basically. And when you tell your subconscious mind that, in my world, nothing ever goes wrong, it really affirms that idea and sticks it in there. And when it becomes a core belief, then you really believe that nothing ever goes wrong in your world, that things all have lessons to teach you, that you're going to learn something from everyone and everything. And this is an absolutely fantastic principle. But that's about all I have to say on it, that it's about certainty. When you have certainty that everything's going to work out and you're not so concerned about the future, then you can really live in the present moment, and you can know that in my world, nothing ever goes wrong. If there's a problem, then I will solve it. I'm going to approach it and I'm going to fix it. And I don't have to be obsessed about that because I know that all the paths are going to lead to a good future. I don't have to be so concerned. Everything's going to work out. And that's the idea, every day in every way I am getting better and better. In my world, nothing ever goes wrong. So I hope this video was useful. Let's talk about this kind of stuff because I absolutely love this principle. So I hope you guys love it too, and I will see you guys next time with the next video. So stay tuned.